जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
77वें गणतंत्र दिवस पर हर्ष ध्वनि देंगे। कामी नारा, कामी नारा, कामी नारा, वंदे वंदे वंदे। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। परेड विश्राम। परेड सामने देख, हेलमेट। जय श्रीमान। श्रीमान, 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस की परेड पर एक परेड कमांडर, एक 2IC, एक माउंटेन ट्रॉली, एक कैवलरी और 32 प्लेटून अपने अपने प्लेटून कमांडर के साथ आपके निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है। जय श्रीमान।
For inspection, we have 30 platoons, followed by the horse cavalry and the band of KISS. Hello. Anything? By inspection. The inspection of the parade starts with KIT NCC. Followed by KISS NCC Junior. Followed by KISS Scout and Guide. Then we have KISS Rovers and Rangers. KISS YRC follows next. KIT International School. The inspection of the parade continues with KIT School of Civil Engineering. Followed by KIT School of Biotechnology. Next, we have KIT School of Aerospace Engineering. Followed by KIT Polytechnique. And then KIT ITI. Following next is KISS School. The parade inspection continues with KIT School of Computer Application. Following the KIT School of Computer Science Engineering. Next school for inspection is KIT School of Economics and Commerce. Followed by KIT School of Electrical Engineering. The next school is from KIT School of Electronics Engineering. Followed by the KIT School of Law.
Moving ahead, we have the KIT School of Sports and Yogic Science. Next, we have KIT School of Rural Management. School of Medicine. Followed by that, we have the KIT School of Mechanical Engineering. Next, we have the KIT School of Management. we have Kids School of Liberal Studies. Continuing the parade inspection, we have KISS deemed to be university. Followed by that, we have KIIT deemed to be university NSS. Next, we have KISS deemed to be university NSS. The KISS band troop. Kit and Kiss Security Department. Followed by that, we have the Horse Cavalry.
May I now request Professor Dr. Achyuta Samanta, Honorable Founder, Kit, Kiss and Kins, to kindly address the gathering. Sir.
Good morning everybody present here. On the occasion of the 77th Republic Day of India, we have with us our Honorable Chief Guest for this occasion, Honorable Namal Rajpaksa, Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Lanka, We have also with us eminent personalities from Sri Lanka. All are member of parliament from the Sri Lanka. Honorable Janath Chitral Fernando, member of parliament on the dais. Honorable Chamindarini Kirila, honorable member of parliament from Sri Lanka. Honorable Amila Prasad Srivardhan, member of parliament. Honorable Chatura Galapathy, member of parliament, Sri Lanka. Honorable Indika Anuradha, member of parliament, Sri Lanka. Honorable Mr. Sanjeev Edirimana, member of parliament, former Sri Lanka. Honorable Mr. Sampath, member of parliament and former leader of the Southern Provincial Council. My dear respected Mr. Milinda Rajpaksa, convener of the delegation, President Next Gen Sri Lanka, and also Honorable Mahesh Alapuruma, Secretary to our Honorable Namal Rajpaksa, and also others on the dais. We have also our own respected Vice President of Kit Kiss Society, Sri Umapada Bose, our respected Secretary of Kit Society, Mananjan Pradhan, Secretary of Kiss Society, respected R.N. Das, our Honorable Chancellor of Kit University, respected Sri Ashok Parijaji, our Honorable Pro-Chancellor of Kit University, respected Padma Shri Subrat Kumar Acharya ji, our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kit University, KIS University, respected Professor Sanjit Singh, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, respected Dr. C.B.K. Mahanti, and also Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor K.D. Raju, Pro Vice Chancellor, KIS University, Registrar Kit University, Registrar KIS University, and we have also our special guest on the audience side, Honorable Dr. Bhanki Panchalia ji, the founder of the Adi Shankar University, Andhra Pradesh, and also Madam Arvinda Bhanki, Chancellor of the Adi Shankar University, Andhra Pradesh. We have also with us Indian Idol Season 3, 4, 5, Mr. Nikhil, and also his wife. She is also Indian Idol Miss Couple from the Bhopal. They are also our guests present here, and all the other invited guests present here, particularly our respected family members, both from Kit Kiss schemes, present here, respected press persons, both from electronic print media, respected judges, jury, and others, those who are present here. Finally, my most lovable Kittians and Kissians. Today is 77th Republic Day. Like every year, we are celebrating this Republic Day in the premises of Kit Kiss with a very big show. So, this year also we are celebrating. But fact is like this year, every year we are used to get one foreign eminent personalities to grace the occasion as the chief guest. But this year we are very much happy that we have got 10 number of honorable member of parliament from the Sri Lanka, including Mr. Namal Rajpaksa, who is the member of parliament at present, a leading figure in Sri Lanka SLPP party. He has previously served as the Minister of Youth and Sports and also leader of the delegation on this visit. He first entered parliament representing Hambantota district, a traditionally political stronghold of the Rajpaksa family, and later he contested via national list in 2024, marking the first time a Rajpaksa family member did not contest from the traditional seat. So many things in his credit. I am very much grateful that I met all the honorable member of parliament in Sri Lanka before 3 months, and I extended my humble invitation with request to visit Odisha, Bhubaneswar, particularly Kit and Kiss, and to see the beauty of these entire things, and to be the chief guest on this 77th Republic Day. So I am very much happy that not only Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Namal Rajpaksa, but also all the other Member of Parliament are present here. On behalf of the entire Kit Kiss, on my behalf, I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much coming all the way to grace this occasion for this program. You arrived here yesterday night 10 o'clock, and so that's why I am very much happy. I welcome you all the Member of Parliament, and it will be history in the Kit and Kiss. We have invited 22 Member of Parliament at one point of time during G20, but they are from the 20 countries. But from one country, 11 Member of Parliament, it will be recorded in the history of Kit and Kiss for next record. So thank you very much. And similarly, I extend my heartiest welcome to everyone present here. I am not taking time because of paucity of time. So, but it is my pleasure to speak a few words about Kit and Kiss and also the India-Sri Lanka, Odisha-Sri Lanka relationship. So, independence gave us freedom from colonial rule, but Republic Day gave us something greater, the power to govern ourselves, to write our own destiny, to build our own future. The Constitution of India came into effect. It became both our strength and also our responsibility. Today, when I see what we have built together, Kit and Kiss, recognized across the world, I don't see my achievement. I see it is yours. It carries your fingerprints, your sweat, your belief. As I planted a small seed, but you people in the Kit Kiss schemes watered it, nurtured it, protected it through storms, and made it grow into this mighty tree that gives shelter to millions of dreams along with me. I have carried this vision on my shoulders for years. The question before us is not what we have achieved, it is what we'll achieve next. The next chapter of Kit Kiss is not mine to write alone. It is ours to create together with the spirit of Kit Kiss schemes is one. So on this Republic Day, I request all my lovable staff members, family members, students members, everybody to work more hard to take the KIT, KISS and also KIMS to a further height. Thank you very much. Now I will speak few words with as our Honorable Member of Parliament from the Sri Lanka government are present here. So historical and cultural linkage, if you see, as I have gathered the information, over 2,500 years of shared civilization ties. India is Sri Lanka closer neighbor. Cultural cooperation agreement signed in 1977. Both countries members of Commonwealth, SAARC and BIMSTEC. If we see the economic ties, India-Sri Lanka Free Trade Agreement signed in 2000. India is Sri Lanka's largest trading partner globally. Educational, cultural, Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center in Colombo, established in 1998, India-Sri Lanka Foundation for Cultural Exchange, ICCR Scholarship for Sri Lankan students. And we are very much happy. Many Sri Lankan students now pursuing the professional course in our university KIT. Similarly, if we see the Odisha-Sri Lanka specific connection and history, Prince Vijaya sailed from Kalinga, the old name of Odisha, around 543 BC with 700 followers, founding the Sinhalese dynasty. Relationship flourished for 1700 years. Approximately 2,500 Kalingan families migrated to Sri Lanka during Vijaya's rule. Emperor Ashok, we all know, sent his son and also daughter to spread the Buddhism to Sri Lanka in 3rd century. And innocent Kalinga sailors brought rice, horses and elephants to Sri Lanka, but pearls and silver came back to Odisha. Similarly, Tamlipata, Tamluk was major port connecting these regions, and many more things are also between Odisha and also Sri Lanka. If we see, King Mahinda IV married Kalingan princess as chief wife. King Vijaya Bahu married Kalingan princess, and many things. Similarly, if we see the literature, Lavanyavati, Odia Chronicle, references trade relations with Sri Lanka. Tapoi, Odia text, mentions Sri Lanka connection and many good things. And similarly, I see Kandian dance in Sri Lanka are equivalent to Kondhei Nacho in Odisha. And so many connections are with Odisha, Sri Lanka, etc. And I hope in the coming years, because of the good wishes from all the honorable member of parliament, relationship between KIT, KIS and Sri Lanka Institute, Sri Lanka government should be more strengthened. And I will facilitate your students to come here to pursue the professional education with a lesser price than our usual price. So once again, I express my thanks to our honorable chief guest, honorable member of parliament, Mr. Namal Rajpaksa, and also all the other honorable member of parliament. My special thanks to Dr. Banki Panchaliaji, founder of Adi Shankar University, Madam Arabinda Banki, Chancellor of this Adi Shankar University. Once again, thanks to all the organizer team, organizing like every year in a pomp and show. Congratulations to 25 teaching, non-teaching staff getting Best Staff of the Year award, which is supposed to be the highest award to the staff in KIT KIS schemes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a great and inspiring address on this 77th Republic Day of India. Moving on, may I now request the esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, Honorable Namal Rajpaksha, MP Leader of SLPP and former Cabinet Minister of Youth and Sports, to kindly address the gathering. Sir, please.
Ayubowan. Honorable dignitaries, respected faculty members, and my dear friends, the students. Let me begin by thanking Professor Achyuta Samantha and his team for inviting me to Bugadeshwara on this historic day, Republic Day of India. The Carling Institution of Industrial Technologies, together with Carling Institution of Social Science, is shaping public-spirited young leaders, not only in technology and innovation, but also in sports. Your achievements at the Khelo India University Games and the World University Games are living proof of that. Friends, India has always stood by Sri Lanka. When Sri Lanka needed a friend, I wish to acknowledge with deep gratitude the support extended during our difficult moments in 2022. And very recently, during Cyclone Ditwa, on behalf of people of Sri Lanka, I thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi and people of India in our region. Solidarity is not a slogan. It is how we overcome adversity, how we rebuild, and how we shape a stronger and more stable region together. That's why Odisha matters so much to Sri Lanka. Odisha, the temple city of India, is globally respected for transforming vulnerability into resilience through early warning systems, through evacuation planning, through empowered communities. Sri Lanka has much to learn from this experience because climate change shocks are no longer distance risk. And to understand what makes Odisha special, without any political commentary, just look at the leaders it has given to India. Netaji, Subhash Chandra Bose, whose courage and vision still inspire generations. President V.V. Giri, a lifelong champion of labor rights, and the current President of India, Her Excellency Draupadi Murmu, whose journey reminds every student here that that where you are born does not define how far you can go. It is fitting that I say this here in Odisha. Odisha is not just another state. Odisha is a message to young people that culture, identity, and modernity do not have to fight each other. They can coexist, and they can strengthen each other. The Republic Day of India, first declared on 26 January 1930, honors the spirit of Purna Swaraj. It reminds us that freedom was not gifted. It was claimed and it must be defended. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force, anchoring justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, and placing independence in the hands of its citizens. Sri Lanka and India, situated in the Bay of Bengal, are bound by the history, culture, and memory so deeply that there is hardly a line of separation. On such connection is the Ram Ravana Trail, linking legend, imagination, and memory across the ocean. It reminds us that this sea has always carried ideas, not just people. And there is something else that connects us deeply. Cricket. From Sachin Tendulkar to our own Muttaya Muralidharan, from Lasith Malinga to our own Nebashish Mohanty, different jerseys, same discipline, same character under pressure. Friends, Indian Ocean region is one of the most strategically important regions in the world today. As the global balance of power shifts, Many countries are turning inward. Politics everywhere is being tested by inequality, misinformation, polarization, and economic instability. To emerge stronger, we must move away from strategies of dominancy or dependency and embrace shared understanding, shared responsibility, and shared prosperity. The path we choose will decide whether this region becomes a stage of conflict or a platform for coexistence and collective gain. Our generation will decide which story comes first. Friends, our generation is different. We do not wait for mandate. We do not wait for titles, but we build influence. While we are still young, we organize, we innovate, we challenge. So let me speak directly to you. The young people of Odisha, Sri Lanka, and the wider region, if we want to lead in Asia Pacific, you must be grounded in three things. Competence. As we all know, slogans collapse without delivery. Character. Because power without ethics become extraction. And courage. Because the future will test us on poverty, jobs, technology, and national dignity. Leadership is not a position, it is a responsibility. It is the process of influencing others to achieve shared goals. So remember this, my friends. Republic is not something you simply inherit. Republic is something you earn and maintain like a promise. Finally, I wish Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and people of India a proud and meaningful Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Teruvan Sarnai.
Thank you, sir, for that inspiring address on the 77th Republic Day. and that was Parade Commander Harshvardhan Yadav and Second in Charge Sanjukta Mandal, who sought permission of the Honorable Founder to commence the parade. With the permission of the Honorable Founder, the parade has been commenced. The parade composed of 30 platoons, followed by the Horse Cavalry and Kiss Band.
Our parade begins with the contingent. Our parade begins with the contingent from Kit deemed to be University NCC, led by Platoon Commander Raj Behra, followed by Flag Bearer Ayush Chandra. The contingent exemplifies discipline, leadership, and a deep sense of national service.
राष्ट्रिय एकता स्वाधीनता सांप्रदायिक सुरक्षार भावना को नहीं सदर्पे आगे आसुछंती किट यूनिवर्सिटी समर शिक्षार्थी बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर राज बेहरा फ्लैग बेयरर आयुष चंद्रा.
Next, we have the KISS NCC junior contingent led by the platoon commander Nirmal Bhoi, followed by flag bearer Deepa Singh. These young cadets represent courage, commitment, and the promise of responsible citizenship.
देशर बाह्य आभ्यंतरीण सुरक्षा को बहन करिवार प्रतिश्रुति नहीं आगे आसुछंती किस जूनियर एनसीसी बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर निर्मल भोई फ्लैग बेयरर दीपा सिंह.
Marching forward is the KISS Scout and Guide contingent led by platoon commander Sujit Dungdung, followed by flag bearer Dipti Hansda. They uphold the values of service, preparedness, and community leadership.
प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति रे संभावनार स्वर तोली किस स्काउट और गाइड बाहिनी सम्मान जनाउछंती प्लाटून कमांडर सुजीत डुंगडुंग फ्लैग बेयरर दीप्ति हंसदा.
Following them is the KISS Rovers and Rangers contingent led by platoon commander Ishwar Maji, followed by flag bearer Sarathi Murmu. This contingent reflects self-service and youth-led social responsibility.
निराशारे आशार संचार करी उन्नतिर वार्ता देउछंती किस रोवर्स एंड रेंजर्स बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर ईश्वर माझी फ्लैग बेयरर सारथी मुर्मू.
We now welcome the KISS deemed to be University YRC contingent led by the platoon commander Shiva Naik, followed by flag bearer Saraswati Tudu. They stand for humanitarian values, health awareness, and voluntary service.
मानव सेवा ही माधव सेवार मंत्र नहीं आगे आसुछंती किस यूनिवर्सिटी वायरशिप बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर शिव नायक फ्लैग बेयरर सरस्वती टुडू.
Marching with pride is the KIT International School contingent led by platoon commander Dushman Naik, followed by flag bearer Shripanna Adhishri. The students embody global outlooks rooted in strong moral values.
असीम स्वप्न जिज्ञासा को प्रतिफलित कराई किट इंटरनेशनल स्कूल प्लाटून प्लाटून कमांडर दुष्मत नायक फ्लैग बियरर श्रीपर्णा अधिश्री.
Next comes the Kids School contingent led by Platoon Commander Bapun Maji, followed by Flag Bearer Arpita Nag. They represent inclusive education and empowerment through learning.
चिरी अतीतर जिन्न जीवन जाग आहे भविष्यतर नुआ आह्वान नहीं किस स्कूल बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर बापुन माछी फ्लैग बियरर अर्पिता नाग.
Advancing smartly is the KIT ITI contingent led by Platoon Commander Happy Naik, followed by Flag Bearer Priyadarshini Sahu. This contingent symbolizes skill development and nation building through technical education.
विकास प्रगतिर आभिमुख्य नहीं किट आईटीआई प्लाटून प्लाटून कमांडर हैप्पी नायक फ्लैग बियरर प्रियदर्शिनी साहू.
Following them is the KIT Polytechnic contingent led by Platoon Commander Satyabrat Behera, followed by Flag Bearer Jasaswini Padi. They showcase innovation, precision, and applied knowledge.
नूतन ज्ञान कौशलर दक्षता को नहीं आगे आसुछंती किट पॉलिटेक्निक प्लाटून प्लाटून कमांडर सत्यव्रत बेहेरा फ्लैग बियरर जसस्विनी पाढ़ी.
Marching ahead is the KIT School of Aerospace Engineering contingent led by Platoon Commander Preeti Devi, followed by Flag Bearer Shreya Patra. They represent aspirations that soar high with science and technology.
अनंत आकाशर बुकु चिरी आगक उड़ी जिबार लक्ष्य नहीं सम्मान जनाउछंती किड्स स्कूल ऑफ एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग प्लाटून कमांडर प्रीति देवी फ्लैग बियरर श्रेया पात्र.
Next, we have the KIT School of Biotechnology contingent led by Platoon Commander Ankan Giri, followed by Flag Bearer Nirupama Mohanta. This group represents scientific advancement in service of humanity.
सभ्यतार विकास रे विज्ञानर असीम अवदान को दर्शाई सम्मान जनाउछंती किड्स स्कूल ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्लाटून कमांडर अंकन गिरी फ्लैग बियरर निरुपमा महंत.
We now welcome the KIT School of Civil Engineering contingent led by Platoon Commander Shovit Raj, followed by the Flag Bearer Achyutanand Jena. They stand for nation building and sustainable infrastructure.
देश निर्माण रे आमे विश्वकर्मा एभली आत्मविश्वास सह किड्स स्कूल ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग प्लाटून कमांडर शोभित राज हर्ष फ्लैग बियरर अच्युतानंद जेना.
Marching forward is the KIT School of Computer Application contingent led by Platoon Commander Randeep Behera, followed by Flag Bearer Minati Kisku. This contingent represents digital empowerment and innovation.
सांप्रतिक समय प्रमुख आवश्यकतार दायित्व को बहन करी आगे आसुछंती किड्स स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस प्लाटून कमांडर रणदीप बेहेरा फ्लैग बियरर मीनाती किस्कू.
Next comes the Kids School of Computer Science Engineering contingent led by Platoon Commander Udaditya Parbat followed by flag bearer Tanya Sharma. They symbolize technological excellence and future readiness.
वैषयिक शिक्षार जयगान गाई सम्मान सह आगे आसुछंती किड्स स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग प्लाटून कमांडर उदय आदित्य पर्वत फ्लैग बियरर तान्या शर्मा.
Following them is the Kids School of Economics and Commerce contingent led by Platoon Commander Samahit Swai followed by flag bearer Samriddhi Pradhan. They reflect analytical thinking and economic leadership.
अर्थनैतिक विकास र गुरुदायित्व को बहन करी आगे आसुछंती स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स एंड कॉमर्स प्लाटून कमांडर समाहित स्वाही फ्लैग बियरर समृद्धि प्रधान.
Advancing next is the Kids School of Electrical Engineering contingent led by Platoon Commander Sambit Kumar Das followed by flag bearer Maithili Tyagi. This group represents progress through innovation and energy solutions.
वैद्युतिक ज्ञान कौशल शंख ध्वनि करी सम्मान देउछंदी किड्स स्कूल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियरिंग प्लाटून कमांडर संवाहित कुमार दास फ्लैग बियरर मैथिली त्यागी.
Marching smartly is next the Kids School of Electronics Engineering contingent led by Platoon Commander Priyanka Priyadarshini followed by flag bearer Jeet Shah. They represent precision, connectivity and technological growth.
असीम साहस शक्तिर विद्युत संचार करी किड्स स्कूल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग प्लाटून कमांडर प्रियंका प्रियदर्शिनी फ्लैग बियरर जीत शाह.
We now have the Kids School of Law contingent led by Platoon Commander Falguni Nandi followed by flag bearer Avni Agarwal. They uphold justice, constitutional value and rule of law.
न्यायिक व्यवस्थार गुरुदायित्व को बहन करी आगे आसुछंती स्कूल ऑफ लॉ बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर फाल्गुनी नंदी फ्लैग बियरर अवनी अग्रवाल.
Next is the Kids School of Liberal Studies contingent led by Platoon Commander Rajat Kumar Das followed by flag bearer Sonali Panda. This contingent celebrates critical thinking, culture and interdisciplinary learning.
सृजनार अनन्य स्वर तली आगे आसुछंती स्कूल ऑफ लिबरल स्टडीज बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर रजत कुमार दास फ्लैग बियरर सोनाली पंडा.
Marching ahead is the Kids School of Management contingent led by Platoon Commander Pramod Kumar Sahu followed by flag bearer Monalin Mahanti. They symbolize leadership, strategy and ethical governance.
दृढ़ नेतृत्वर पराकाष्ठा देखाई आगे आसुछंती स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर प्रमोद कुमार साहू फ्लैग बियरर मोनालिन महांती.
Following them is the Kids School of Mechanical Engineering contingent led by Platoon Commander Prashant Jaksika followed by flag bearer Supriya De. They stand for innovation, design and industrial excellence.
देश प्रगतिर प्रतिश्रुति देई विश्वासर सह School of Mechanical Engineering Platoon, Platoon Commander Prasant Jessica, Flag Bearer Supriya De.
Next comes the Kids School of Medicine contingent led by Platoon Commander Varun Naik, followed by Flag Bearer Shrestha Palit. They represent compassion, healing and service to humanity.
सेवा समर्पण तितिक्षार मंत्र गाई आगे आसुछंती स्कूल ऑफ मेडिसिन प्लाटून कमांडर वरुण नायक फ्लैग बियरर श्रेष्ठा पालित.
Marching forward is the Kids School of Rural Management contingent led by Platoon Commander Jayesh Kumar Mantri, followed by Flag Bearer Sabita Singh. This group reflects inclusive growth and grassroots development.
ग्रामीण विकास ही देश विकास भित्तिभूमि यही वार्ता नहीं स्कूल ऑफ रूरल मैनेजमेंट बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर जयेश कुमार मंत्री फ्लैग बियरर सबिता सिंह.
We now welcome the Kids School of Sports and Yogic Science contingent led by Platoon Commander Subhadra Soren, followed by Flag Bearer Simarani Naik. They embody physical fitness, discipline and holistic being.
शारीरिक और मानसिक सुस्थतार वार्ता नहीं आगे आसुछंती स्कूल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड योगिक साइंस प्लाटून कमांडर सुभद्रा सोरेन फ्लैग बियरर सीमारानी नायक.
Advancing next is the KISS Team to be University contingent led by Platoon Commander Naveen Murmu, followed by Flag Bearer Jyoti Singh. They represent empowerment through education and social transformation.
नवीन जुगर तारुण्यर वार्ता नहीं किस डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी प्लाटून प्लाटून कमांडर नवीन मुर्मू फ्लैग बियरर ज्योति सिंह.
Marching ahead is the Kid Team to be University NSS contingent led by Platoon Commander Sinjit Mukherjee, followed by Flag Bearer Sohini Mukherjee. They stand for volunteerism and nation first service.
अनेक स्वप्न संभावनार स्वर तोली आगे आसुछंती किस यूनिवर्सिटी एनएसएस बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर संजीत मुखर्जी फ्लैग बियरर सोहिनी मुखर्जी.
Next comes the KISS Team to be University NSS contingent led by Platoon Commander Rasmi Ranjan Tudu, followed by Flag Bearer Priya Oram. This group exemplifies community engagement and youth-led action.
सेवा समर्पण संगठनर संदेश नहीं आगे आसुचंती किस यूनिवर्सिटी एनएसएस बाहिनी प्लाटून कमांडर रश्मि रंजन टुडू फ्लैग बियरर प्रिया ओराम.
We now have the Kid Suraksha Bal contingent led by Platoon Commander Saurya Chakra Vijeta, Supervisor Ashok Kumar Jena and Card Nilima Patnaik. They symbolize vigilance, safety and unwavering duty.
सामग्रिक सुरक्षा कवच को ललाटरे बांधी किट सुरक्षा बल प्लाटून कमांडर सूर्य चक्र विजेता सुपरवाइजर अशोक कुमार जेना एवं फ्लैग बियरर नीलिमा पटनायक.
Marching with grandeur is the horse cavalry led by Platoon Commander Prachi Sahu. This contingent reflects tradition, discipline and ceremonial pride.
रणक्षेत्रु सद्भावनार यात्रा अश्व बाहिनीर गुरुत्व को दर्शाई किट अश्व बाहिनी को नहीं आसुछंदी प्लाटून कमांडर प्राची साहू।
Next, we welcome the KISS band troop led by band commander Marsha Hantal, followed by flag bearer Shushanti Takalia. Their rhythmic beats add pride, harmony, and ceremonial splendor to the parade.
दुंदुभी परी बाद्यर ताले ताले देश प्रणता को भरीदे आगे आसुछंती किस बैंड ट्रूप प्लाटून कमांडर मार्सा हांताल फ्लैग बियरर सुशांति तकलिया।
Then comes the young ambassadors of Kit Public School March, marching before us, embodying the discipline and promise of our future. Let us welcome them.
शिशु हसिले दुनिया हसे अजस्र जिज्ञासा को आखिरे भरी अनेक स्वप्न नहीं किट पब्लिक स्कूल बाहिनी